Patients are extremely happy. I get a lot of referrals for other patients who are interested in not having surgery, but doing the things that I can do that no one else can do in town.
And I fell in love with her techniques. She's such a pioneer and innovator, and the techniques are things that we have not had anything like before, and it's money well spent. Us, the first patient after an ARC Derma training is you recoup your cost in one patient.
Oh yes, I will advise everybody really to come here. You are going to be surprised and amazed how she does her work that she does here, and how this can change really your practice and the results in your patients.
Oh, 100%, absolutely. Well, yes and no, because, of course, it's great information, but, you kind of want to keep it to yourself.
I would, however, I kind of like being the only person in Portland doing these treatments.
Well, yes, but I
Of
don't
course.
want everybody knowing all the secrets.
Yeah.